Hey everyone, and welcome back to another deep dive. So you know how it feels like almost every day we're hit with some new, crazy AI breakthrough.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, it can be so overwhelming trying to even just stay on top of it all.
It really can. It's a lot to keep up with for sure.
Yeah, so that's why I was so intrigued when I came across this new initiative from University 365.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's called 1 Week of AI. They were calling it oWoAI for
That's
short.
right.
I think it's such a cool concept. It's like your weekly dose of, just the AI essentials, kind of like a curated digest so you don't have to wade through all the noise yourself.
That's fantastic, especially with the sheer volume of information coming out about AI these days.
Exactly right. And to help us really dive deep into oWoAI and how it can, be useful for everyone, we have Professor Anna Connard from University 365 with us today. Welcome to the deep dive, Anna.
Thanks so much for having me. I'm happy to be here.
So, Anna, let's start with the basics. What exactly is this oWoAI everyone's talking about?
Well, oWoAI is basically a brand new weekly publication series we've launched on the University 365 Inside blog.
Okay.
And we realize, AI is just exploding right now. New breakthroughs are happening at an incredible pace. And frankly, it's really tough for people to keep up with everything, let alone understand what it all means in a practical sense.
Yeah, it's definitely a fire hose of info.
Right. So with oOAI, we wanted to create a sort of concise, insightful guide to the most important things happening in AI. We cover like the latest breakthroughs, of course, but also practical tips people can actually use and the big trends that are going to reshape, different industries.
So it's like you've done all the hard work of sifting through the noise and just present the really key stuff.
Precisely. It's your weekly need to know in the world of AI, essentially. We aim to equip everyone with the knowledge to stay relevant and informed without getting lost in all the technical jargon or spending hours reading articles.
I love that because I know so many people, myself included sometimes, who just feel paralyzed by the amount of AI information out there.
Exactly. And we want to break down those barriers. We want you to stay ahead of the curve in AI 365 days a year, hence the name 1 Week of AI.
It's like it's your AI for the entire year. I
Exactly.
love that. So for our listeners, why should they care about oOAI? What makes this different from just, Googling the latest AI news?
That's a great question. And honestly, the rapid pace of change in AI is exactly why oOAI is so crucial. What might have been considered cutting edge AI just a few months ago could be old news today.
Right.
And our weekly publications are designed to help people navigate this constantly shifting landscape without feeling overwhelmed. We focus on delivering what's most impactful so you don't waste time going down rabbit holes or just endlessly scrolling.
And I saw something about a 5 minutes of success approach, and I have to
Yeah.
admit, that really caught my attention. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Of course. So that's our 5M2S micro-learning approach, and we know people are busy. Nobody really has hours to dedicate to AI research every week, right?
Yeah.
So each OOI publication is designed to be digestible in about 5 minutes. It's just short, focused bursts of key AI knowledge that you can easily fit into your day.
It's like your morning coffee with AI.
Exactly. Exactly.
I love that. So it's not just about, being aware of what's happening. There's a practical element to oOAI too.
Oh, definitely. We go beyond just reporting the news. OAI provides actionable insights that you can actually apply in your life or work.
Okay.
So we'll show how new AI tools or techniques are being used in real world scenarios. For example, 1 week we might explore how marketing teams are using AI for customer insights or how people are using AI writing assistants to create content.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, we really try to show the tangible benefits and applications.
And I think that's what's missing from a lot of AI coverage these days.
Yeah.
It's all very abstract and future focused, but not so much about what you can do with it right now.
Right, and we aim to bridge that gap.
Now, what if someone reads an oOAI and wants to learn more, go deeper into a specific topic? What then?
We actually have that covered too.
Oh, great.
Each OOI is like a launching pad. So we complement it with our Discussions to Learn, or D2L podcasts, and also tutorials to learn, the T2L screencasts.
Okay.
So if something really grabs your interest, you have these resources to further your understanding.
So it's not just a one and done kind of thing. There are different avenues for you to explore.
Exactly.
Okay, so oOAI is this fantastic resource.
Yeah.
But how does it fit into the bigger picture at University 365? What's the connection there?
oOAI is a core part of our overall mission at University 365. And our mission really is to empower you to become superhuman all year long.
I love that.
Yeah, we believe in giving people the knowledge and skills to not just survive, but to really thrive in this increasingly AI-driven world. And our pedagogical approach, which we call UNOP or University 365 Neuroscience-Oriented Pedagogy, is really central to how we achieve this.
UNOP, that's a new one. Tell me more about that.
So UNOP is all about blending the amazing power of AI with proven neuroscience-based learning methods and flexible study options.
Okay.
We've integrated techniques that help your brain absorb information better and retain it more effectively. And oOAI is a perfect example of UNOP in action. The microlearning format aligns with how our brains process new information best, and the availability of D2L and T2L resources caters to different learning styles.
So it's really tailored to how people learn best.
Exactly. And there's also the integration with uCopilot.
Oh, yeah, you Copilot, right. For those who might have missed it, can you remind us what that is?
Yeah, so uCopilot is your personal AI mentor within the University 365 ecosystem. Think of it as a super knowledgeable AI assistant that's available to answer any questions you might have about AI concepts from the oOAI publications, or to guide you to additional resources if you want to explore something further.
It's like having an AI tutor in your pocket.
Exactly, and it's there to support your learning journey every step of the way.
I love that. So, oWoAI is giving these regular insights. You Copilot is there to answer questions, help you explore further. What's the real benefit of, this consistent flow of information for someone? Like, why is that important?
Well, the weekly rhythm of oAI is really great for building momentum in your learning.
Okay.
Instead of trying to absorb a ton of information all at once, you're getting these regular digestible updates.
Right.
And this prevents that overwhelmed feeling and helps you create a more sustainable learning habit. It's about breaking away from that cycle of like intense cramming and then forgetting everything.
Yeah. The feast or famine of learning.
Exactly. And we want to help you build a more consistent approach to learning about AI.
And we also talked about information overload before, right?
Mm.
How does oOAI specifically help people, combat that constant barrage of AI news we're all facing?
It's a huge problem, right? You're bombarded with information all the time. So oOAI acts as a filter. We curate the most relevant, impactful AI topics each week. So our team of experts goes through all the news, the research, the developments, and picks out what really matters. And we present it to you in a way that's easy to understand and actionable.
So you're saving people so much time and energy.
Exactly. And you can focus on what's actually important.
Okay, so thinking about careers now, how does keeping up with oOAI, help someone stay ahead in this job market that's becoming more and more AI-driven?
It's a great question. The job market is changing so quickly because of AI.
Absolutely.
New jobs are popping up, existing jobs are evolving.
Right.
By engaging with oOAI regularly, you'll stay informed about these changes. You gain insights into the skills that employers are looking for, and you're better positioned to adapt to the demands of this new job market.
It's like future-proofing your career almost.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Keeps you agile, opens up opportunities, and ensures you're not left behind.
So we've talked a lot about oOAI, but, University 365 is more than just that, right? There's a bigger ecosystem here.
Mm-hmm.
How do those other elements work with oOAI and benefit someone?
That's right. oOAI is like a key component, but it's part of a larger learning environment.
Yes.
So as we talked about, our UNOP principles, they're the foundation, making oOAI more effective by tapping into how your brain learns best. Then there's 5M2S microlearning, making sure the content is digestible.
Right.
And we also have this amazing system called LEIPS, which stands for Life Interest Project System. It's like a digital second brain helping you organize and manage all the information you're learning.
A digital second brain. That sounds pretty amazing.
It is, and it uses our CARE framework, collect, action plan, review, execute, so you can really process and retain what you're learning. And then we have ULM, which is University 365 Life Management. This takes a holistic view of your personal and professional growth.
Okay.
So oOAI fits perfectly into this by giving you that essential AI knowledge you need to thrive in all aspects of your life.
Wow, it's so well integrated, it seems like.
It is. Everything is interconnected, designed to support you in your growth.
Now, for our listeners who are, really excited about oOAI and everything University 365 has to offer, what's the best way for them to get started?
Well, the easiest first step is to subscribe to University 365 publications. And you can find the link at the bottom of our website, university-365.com.
Okay.
When you subscribe, you'll get oOAI notifications right in your inbox so you never miss an update. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonus content and personalized recommendations from uCopilot.
And for those who want to go even further, what would you suggest?
We really encourage you to consider becoming a U365 community member.
Okay.
Membership gives you unlimited access to all the articles on our Inside blog. Plus, you can attend exclusive workshops, webinars, networking events, even hands-on AI labs.
Wow.
You can work towards a specialized diploma, earn micro-credentials, or even pursue a full degree in our four institutes: technology, business, communication, or design.
So it's like a full-fledged learning experience.
It is. It's a supportive community where you can really excel in the age of AI.
Amazing. There's truly something for everyone, whether you're just curious about AI or looking to make it your career.
Exactly. Whether you want to stay informed with oOAI or you're seeking a more in-depth learning journey, University 365 has a pathway for you to become truly superhuman in this ever-evolving world.
Professor Connor, this has been incredibly insightful. Thank you so much for sharing all the details about oOAI and University 365.
It was my pleasure. I hope your listeners will find oOAI to be a valuable resource.
I have no doubt they will. So there you have it, everyone. 1 week of AI. oOAI is like your essential guide to navigating the world of AI. It's all about keeping you informed, expanding your skills, and developing that AI-centric mindset we all need.
And don't forget to subscribe to University 365 publications to get those regular oOAI updates and stay ahead of the curve.
And if you're ready to go deeper, definitely look into becoming a U365 community member. There's a whole world of learning waiting for you there.
We believe that consistently engaging with these AI insights can fundamentally change how you understand and interact with the world around you.
So here's a final thought for you to ponder. How might consistently engaging with focused AI insights, like those offered by oOAI and University 365, reshape your understanding of the rapidly changing world? What possibilities might this unlock for you in the months and years to come? That's all the time we have for today's deep dive. Join us next time for another exciting exploration.